you want to get one of these grease strainers. And then you can actually reuse the grease if you want, or you can just use this to dispose of the grease. But I'll show you how this works. So I just like to take the bacon pan here and grab onto the corner real good. And then use the tinfoil there, kind of like a funnel. And then just pour that grease into this container. Now this is kind of the subjective part. Depends how you like your bacon. If you like it a little floppy, then it's just about done. But if you want to make it a little crispier, you can put it back in the oven. So yeah, it strains the bacon grease. And then if you want, you can use it for cooking. It'll be nice clean bacon grease in there if you're into that kind of thing. If you're not, then you could just use this as a storage container and then throw it away when you're done. This is the Chihee grease strainer. It's got a lid on top here. It's got a nice lid. And then it's got a strainer here where you can pour your grease in. And then it's got a nice thick container here. It's got a nice solid container. Looks like it's hammered metal on the bottom and on the inside there. I'll go ahead and put an Amazon affiliate link in the description if you want to check it out. Pretty nice.